Welcome to Crowell Public Library's Harry Potter event. We will be making Butterbeer Ice Cream, Butterbeer Drinks, and a Butterbeer Float. I hope you enjoy our Butterbeer presentation. For the Butterbeer ice cream, you'll need 2 cups or 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream, 1 can of condensed sweet milk, and a 1/3 cup or 5.3 tablespoons of butterscotch syrup. With the heavy whipping cream, you will want to mix until you have thick peaks. Once you have that thick consistency, you'll want to add the condensed milk, and you'll mix that in to your heavy whipping cream. After that, you'll want to add your butterscotch to your mixture. Now you'll continue to mix all the ingredients together, making sure that your mixture is light and fluffy, but still has a very thick consistency. You'll also grab a parchment paper lined loaf pan, and you'll pour in your mixture. This mixture will have to be in the freezer for at least 5 hours. Once you're done pouring in your mixture, you can go ahead and add the butterscotch, just so you can create nice little swirls into your non-churned butterbeer ice cream. And you'll be able to enjoy it once it's done. For your butterbeer drink, you'll need 1 cup vanilla ice cream, rum extract, 1 teaspoon butter extract, 1 cup of frozen cream soda ice cubes, plus a 1/2 cup of cream soda, and 1 tablespoon of butterscotch and whipped cream. Grab your 1 cup of frozen cream soda and place that into the blender. Next, you'll want to add your cup of vanilla ice cream. You'll add your imitation butter extract and add that into the blender. Your 1/2 teaspoon of rum extract. Your 1/2 cup of cream soda. You'll add your butterscotch syrup. And you can add a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt for taste. Now you'll want to blend all the ingredients together. Once you're done, You can go ahead, pour your butterbeer drink into a glass and add whipped cream and add butterscotch syrup to just top it off. And there you have it, your butterbeer drink. Now we're going to be creating our Butterbeer Float. You'll need 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of cream soda, 2 tablespoons of butterscotch, and some whipped cream. You'll add your vanilla ice cream to a cup. Next, you'll want to add your cream soda and make sure that you pour it in slowly. That way it doesn't fizz up quickly. Next, you'll want to add your butterscotch syrup. And finally, you'll add your whipped cream. You can also top off your drink with butterscotch. You can also top off your drink with some butterscotch on top of the whipped cream. And there you go. You'll have a nice imitation Butterbeer Float.